Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be learning how to make Kunun Gyeda. So I started soaking my rice for about 2 hours before I remembered that I should record this. So I just soaked the rice used for tuon rice or Chinese rice as some people call it, 1 cup. And then 2 cups of groundnut, roasted groundnut or peanut. And I'm just going to soak that also for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I'm going to blend my groundnuts and I'm going to add like 3 cups of water into the groundnut and just blend it. So just blend it till it gets very watery and smooth. Then I'm going to sieve the blended groundnut paste. Then go ahead and pour the liquid which you just sieved into a pot, and then put your rice which has been soaking for, let's say, about 2 hours or more, and just allow it to cook. Here I added more water into my blender and just added it to the mixture because the rice had not yet cooked. Basically, just keep adding water until it gets to the consistency you want it to be. Some people like it thicker, others like it watery. Just do you. Once you taste it and your rice is cooked, go ahead and put in your lemon juice. I squeezed 1 lemon and put it in. Some people do 2. It just depends on how sour you want it to be. And your Kunun Gyeda is ready. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you in my next video.